Damn. Damn. Let's get this. 10 seconds left. Okay, so good morning. That was you guys watching my last video and just comment right next to this one. But anyways, I'm gonna get more presentable because I look like shit. So we're just gonna quickly snap back to reality and bounce back to swag, boy. 3, 2, 1. Looking presentable now, hey? But yeah, this is my hair in a nutshell.
Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
But yeah, peep the fit. But as you can see, it's raining. Oh no, our table. Doesn't make any sense. I'll try and do something with this hair. But yeah, today we're gonna be eating the vegan option, or the vegan menu, at Burger King. It's gonna be horrible. Now we'll see, I've never tasted anything vegan in my life. So it's probably not the best start. But let's do it, man. Let's go for breakfast. He wants to come with so bad. Peace. Look, we made it, bros. I'm gonna get Burger King at 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna feel so embarrassed, but there is a couple of people there I saw. But yeah, let's go and get food and ciao, boy. Can't focus, you bitch. So we've got a vegan royale and a 6-piece vegan nuggets. Partial acquired, boys. Let's fucking die. Bro, I'm low-key nervous to try this shit. Let me just get a second recording up, so in case this shit fails again on me. That should work. Just need to be still as hell. But yeah, first impressions, it smells weird. Here's the chicken royale, and we've got a nugget. So yeah, let me just do a quick little. It smells the same. Honestly, it's really. I definitely taste. It tastes like It definitely has a distinct taste. Sorry if I'm eating like a pig, but this shit is hard, bro. Come on down, let's go for the chicken royale. Bro, this shit looks different though. It doesn't look like the normal shit. So it is definitely. They did something to it, I don't know what, to make it vegan, but it's definitely different. Let's dig in. Not much of a difference, eh? But I'm gonna lie, it's good. I definitely won't choose it again because beef in real meat is definitely better. Not bad at all. No, just eat it, bro. But anyways, I'll give it like a 6.5 out of 10. And the nuggets are a bit less because they taste a bit like, I don't know, beans or something. I don't know, but they're like a 6. But yeah, overall, not bad. I'm just gonna demolish this real quick. Done, boys, done. Okay, so they are currently doing my rotating and balancing and wheel alignment for my car, so to make it perfect. Okay, I'm back home. I'm gonna pour me some orange juice. I'm gonna drink that juice. Gin and juice. No, what am I doing? But anyways, I'm gonna go to the gym. Gonna do squat. Gonna see on squat, bench, or deadlift. I'm just gonna do it with my suit on just to get used to it before the competition this weekend, bro. Okay, I just picked up these books for my studying at uni, so my second year is gonna start. So yeah, I'm just gonna end off the video there. I'm gonna talk about more of this in detail in the next video. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'm posting maybe one more video this week. Then next week there will be a powerlifting video of the meet. But yeah, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna take a shit. Peace.